So guys, we're back here in Ohana. Tim and I are about to launch. Weather looks fine, fair, I would say. Water conditions, I'll check it out and let you guys know. Tim, you ready?
Yeah,
Let's go. So Tim, we're about to launch. All prepped up. Tim's using my kayak over there. I'm using Matt's kayak over here. So today is supposed to be strong tidal coefficient, but looks pretty calm on surface. But don't be deceived, guys. We're gonna be trying a location. I would share, but it's not my location. If I found it myself, I would definitely share with you guys. But yeah, catch you guys out there. So heading off to the Blue Barrels here. Wish us luck. Water condition looks not as great as that day. The whole seat was... Oh, Tim, you're on! Tim, yeah! Oh, Tim! I hope you're recording, my man.
no, I'm not.
I don't know if I am. I am. Oh, Tim, you're on! Get your net ready, man. Finger mark.
Yeah.
Let me try to get to you. Yeah, landed. Woo! Okay? Yep. So we have Tim over here. What'd you have there, my man?
I think it's called flathead.
Yeah, his head's pretty flat. Oh, it's a big one.
And then it has a big fight.
Big one.
Yep. And my pliers are in my box.
I'll help you.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Fish on! What could it be? Barramundi! Okay. So guys, we're about to head on back, taking it nice and easy. Well, weather was okay today, a little bit of drizzle. Water conditions could be better. It's not so clear, clean. It's kind of a dark green. Mariah got Timothy chilling. But yeah, we got some fishes. I'll show it to you guys later. But we're gonna take it easy and head on back now. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a blast going out there with Timothy. Had a great time, even though the weather was a bit off. Yeah guys, if you liked that video, please hit that subscribe button. I know about 67% of you are not subscribed. It helps us out a bunch. Thank you so much guys. Hope to catch you out there. Stay safe. Peace.
でもそのままでいいお互い様